Welcome back. Welcome back to another episode of Duntails TV. We up here at the property in northern Arizona. Took a little time off work, came up, and this is gonna be the property tour. You see, we have the gate here. Got our shipping container. We're up in northern Arizona. I know I've been missing from the tube for a while. I've been going to basketball practice, basketball camps, training. But right now we up here at the property. We're in northern Arizona. It's my 40 acres and a mule. We're gonna get it in. We're gonna take y'all around. Stay with it. TV. All right, TV. We up here at the property. You can see we got a few things up here. We got some water tanks, got a couple of trailers. We got the shipping container. This fence is from the last time I came up with my peoples. They all helped me out, my brothers. We put up this fence. This fence encompasses, it goes around, and encompasses about 2.5 of our 40 acres. Like I said, we're in northern Arizona. You can see here, we're up here today, we're working. There's Jason in the background. Also, you can find antelope, deer, and elk up here. So the purpose of this ranch is we're gonna start off gridding. The wife and I have a couple years before we retire. And once we retire, we plan on going off grid. This is the place we plan on going off grid at. There's 40 acres up here. It's quiet, it's beautiful, it's scenic. So stay tuned, stay with it. Duntales TV. So we're up here at the property doing a little bit of work. We got Jace and Maggie on the burn barrel, burning up this pile of brush. We got Diana on a toolbox, assembling the toolbox. Jace and Maggie are on the burn barrel. So if you look here, you can see that this side of the property is full of brush and dead grass. And this side of the property is grass that we have cut. You can see we got Junior back there on the mower. Maggie and I was on the mower earlier today. And I'm trying to get it at an angle so that you can see what we're looking at. But you can see over there Junior's cutting. I don't know how the video turns it out, but you can see that this is definitely cut down a lot more than it is over here. So we're gonna keep at it. We're gonna keep working. We got Jason on the burn barrel. Stay with it, TV. All right, TV. We got Maggie and June on the mowers. Duntales TV. Ooh-wee. I gotta send a shout out to my plug, Linda, for hooking your boy up with the TV shirts. Ooh-wee. You can find me on the tube. Right now we're at the rental house that we're renting up here by the property. Shout out again, once again, Linda, hooking it up, fam. TV, ooh-wee. I believe that as you get older and as you mature, you go through things. And as you have experiences and you do things in life, if you learn from those experiences, you should be good. I think a wise man has experience and learns from them. So like today, I overexerted myself. I went a little bit harder than I should have. I kind of overexerted myself. And when I did, I had the family there to back me up. You know, Maggie, June, Diana. They came through, helped your boy out, helped me hydrate, you know, because I was going 150 and they told me I needed to slow down, relax, hydrate. And I did that. And they stepped up big. They stepped up real big. They came through with putting away the stuff at the container. I say all that to say this, that, you know, family's important. I appreciate all the help that I get from the family that I have here to anybody who's ever been to my ranch. Kev, B, Hatch, Rat, everybody, all y'all niggas. I appreciate all y'all. But TV, stay with it. We got some more. We're going to go wet a line. Y'all know Maggie's birthday's tomorrow. So we still up here. And the video ain't over yet because, you know, hunting, fishing is my thing. But the property, we'll probably be back in a couple weeks to do some more to the property. Today was more of a cleanup day and like a tour for the YouTube. Our plans are, when Maggie and I retire, we plan on having a house built. We plan on having solar put in. We plan on having water put in. We plan on having a septic put in. We are not doing all that shit ourselves, but we'll get to that later on in the video or later on in the future. Right now, we're just doing little minor projects just to make sure that, you know, this is what we want to do. But every time I come up here, I learn something. And this trip, I learned something. I got to pace myself. That's my lesson. TV. Ooh-wee. So we were supposed to go fishing. Me and June was going to go get on them trout. But instead, we ended up spending 2 hours in urgent care because Junior don't realize that the trout is supposed to get the hook, not him. So we ended up going to urgent care. They had to go to minor surgery and slice his finger open and pull out the hook because he put it in him instead of in the trout. Lessons learned. Lessons learned. Stay with it. We still might try to get something tomorrow. TV. Ooh-wee. All right, TV. We out here. Me and Maggie getting it in. Woods Canyon Lake. We getting it in, and Maggie did her thing. She did her thing. Hold up, baby. She did her thing out here. We out here at the lake. Y'all see it? They go to baby moms with a good one. With a good one. TV. Ooh-wee. All right, we out here, Woods Canyon, Maggie with the second fish. She doing it big, y'all. All right, TV, this is the end of the video. Today's Maggie's birthday. She ended up yanking in a few fish. We had a good trip. We went up to the property. We also got a few fish. We're gonna gut those and take them home and hook them up. But you know how we do. We've been busy with junior and basketball and training and high school and varsity and camps. So this is the first weekend we've had to get a chance to get away, get up to the property and do some fishing. But y'all know me, TV, stay with it. Maggie.